In the armed forces, we believe in looking after the veterans even after they have retired from service. Towards that end, we organize welfare programs, outreach programs for the veterans at two locations in Meghalaya, one in Shillong and the other in Tura. So what we are witnessing today is the ex-servicemen rally, which has been organized for the Garo Hills. We have around 900 veterans and 500 war widows in this region. It is our endeavor to provide all benefits to them under one roof at one location. We have the medical facilities. Behind me, what you see is the CSD counter, that is the Canteen Services Department counter, in which grocery and other items, essential items for the household are available at a rebate. Uh, Towards this side, what we see is the other counters which provides banking assistance, which provides pension redressal. The older veterans who have not been enrolled in the Sparsh pension scheme, there is a counter which facilitates that also. So in a nutshell, this program is to provide the benefit schemes which are available to the veteran community. We also have various initiatives wherein we provide transport, wherein we provide, we send our men to the rural areas to ensure that each and every veteran is integrated in this scheme. That is number one. Number two, every year, annually, as is the mandated, it is all the veterans are required to submit a life certificate. We are trying to make these widely available to the veteran community. Again, we have to factor in the veterans who are not very digital savvy, who are not very tech savvy, veterans in the age bracket of 70 and above. We are in the process of providing them mobile telephones, handsets, and giving them built-in applications where these applications are already existing to facilitate this. The top of the list is the CM Elevate. It is scheme which houses which has a number of schemes, entrepreneurial schemes, which affords the veterans or anybody who is capable of handling business or who is desirous of getting into a business mode of employment. So we have a number of schemes ranging from tourist taxis to disseminate this kind of information. In the recent past, we have been able to integrate at least 5 ex-servicemen who have availed this scheme. They are now self-employed and are running homestays, car washing agencies, they are running fishing farms and sericulture.
It's as a sign of gratitude to all the veteran ex-servicemen and the family members for their sacrifice for the nation. See, at the present, I came here to attend the program, and whatever issues that have been raised. So for this, we'll take up with the government because we want to unitedly work together, and as as a sign of gratitude, as I said, that we should always support the ex-servicemen because and their family members, because many of them have lost their life, and we have to also thank the sacrifices that they have faced during the service time.